In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Jira and add a comment to an issue. Whether you're a team member tasked with sharing your progress or simply want to provide important feedback, commenting is one of the simplest and most vital actions to keep everyone on the same page. So let's dive in and make sure your voice is heard. First things first, we need to log in to Jira. You'll want to open your preferred web browser. For this demonstration, we'll be using Google Chrome. Once you have Chrome open, type in the URL of your Jira site. It typically looks something like https://yourcompany.atlassian.net, but be sure to replace the placeholder to match your company's specific address. Enter your login credentials and sign in to access your account. Now that you're logged in, it's time to find the specific issue or task you want to comment on. Start by navigating to the Projects tab located in the upper navigation menu. Click on Projects and you'll see a list of projects you're part of. From this list, select the project that contains the issue you're interested in. Once your project is open, you need to locate the issue or task. You can do this by scrolling through the list of issues or by using the search functionality if you know the issue's ID or keywords. Once you've found the right issue, simply click on it to open it up. Now, we're going to focus on adding your comment. Scroll down to the bottom of the issue page and you will find the comments section. If you're having trouble locating it, look for an Add Comment button, which will direct you there straight away. This is where you'll be able to type out your comment. It's best to start by being concise but comprehensive to ensure your message is clear. Once you've written your thoughtful comment, the next thing you need to do is save it. In the comments section, you'll see options that say save or add. Once you're satisfied with your comment, go ahead and click that. And just like that, your comment is now officially posted. And there you have it. You've added a comment to an issue in Jira. This comment is now visible to everyone who has access to that particular issue, making it a valuable tool for communication and collaboration. Remember, keeping comments professional and to the point can greatly enhance team productivity and ensure that your input is both meaningful and appreciated. I hope you found this guide helpful. It's often the small actions, like commenting effectively, that help keep a project on track and foster clear communication across your team. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on using Jira with confidence.